Hey guys, today we're gonna be watching Vermis Malum from Walrust. Hope you enjoy.
They say it's supposed to be the coldest winter in years. I can believe it. Sorry if my voice sounds rough.
That
It
looks
might be
creepy.
coming down
I
a little.
can't lie.
I have this bad itch in my ear. It feels like something crawled in when I was sleeping, and now it's trying to crawl its way back out. I got recommended an article
Jesus.
the other day.
It's the
It
worm.
wasn't really my thing at all, but I read
And your brain is the apple.
or so, and then I kept reading because I thought, you know who would love this? This medieval scientist, I guess. He thought the whole world, or the whole universe, boils down to a bunch of invisible wheels spinning inside each other. Well, he called them something else, but basically wheels. Every time something turns from wet to dry, or alive to dead, hot to cold, that's because he thought that was because of a wheel somewhere turning. He was obsessed with this idea that if he could just figure out how to make the wheels turn the way he wanted them to, instead of the way they were supposed to, he could do anything. Like spin straw into gold, or bring back the people he loved, or, whatever people thought was possible. Back when they still believed in magic, before the internet. I don't know.
Yes, with the start of the internet, magic is gone.
Mysticism, mystery, the unexplained, the great weird. I can send it to you if you want. So look, it's been a while.
There was that whistle again.
I know it's busy, I know. But just whenever you have some spare time, it just helps to know you're okay. Take the time you need.
What are you still doing here? Enough trembling in your boots. A hunter must hunt.
Spooky noises, ghastly booing.
Dark, thank you for 40 months. Thank you. Insane commitment. Really spooky noises there.
I'll always be here.
Hope you're doing well. Hey, we're playing more. We're Ring 8 now. Some kill their love when they are young, and some when they are old. Some strangle with the hands of lust, some with the hands of gold. I didn't get to eat my cake I baked today. Oh, what kind of cake? Sounds really good.
This is new. I didn't play off camera, so...
The rain is pretty loud, my guy. Ooh, damn. That's nice, Dark. Hope you enjoy.
I was looking
That is really nice.
This. And I still didn't find anything about it online, but the page was giving me a different trend.
Some poor fool left his fare behind. 2 coins. You bring enough for the rest of the class?
So I still got everything from before, the sword and stuff.
So all these items have like symbols before them. There's always 3 symbols, it seems, at the start. Like when he loads his save. My key confuse is reserved for you guys, just can't claim him. Alright, where do I have to go? I still have the rest of the week off, so... Don't tempt me. Nero's palace. When the Roman Empire now?
Hey,
RNG. I can't quite tell what this says. Harold? The Fox? Helen, Alexei, Bill Hurst, J. Juliet Hop. Never trust something.
hey, friend.
I can't tell.
7 years bad luck, right? And you'll pardon me, but I'm not expecting, well, no more than usual. But we'll make do. New friends are always an awful treat, huh? Welcome to the Garden of Violet Delights.
She's
Oh,
in love.
shucks, you can't see it, but you're making me blush.
Not sure if this is safe.
No
Oh,
formalisms.
okay.
Misfortune is my mother. Anywho, what can I pin you down
Misfortune?
for, boy? Business or pleasure? Well, you're in luck. We've got a big old bachelorette party of one-armed bandits booked in the game hall. Just say the word.
I thought I'm pretty good with League lore, but I didn't know Lux was Misfortune's daughter.
Ugly thing. House rules, sorry. My hands are tied. And not in a fun way. Hope you didn't take that.
What is the fun way?
personally. She left a bad taste in my mouth, too. Some people are just sore losers. Win me something pretty, capiche? Mwah!
That requires me to get out of this warmth I sit in.
So the
I quit my
French
retail job and
novel,
studying touristics in April.
assume
Nice.
This. Is that just
Congrats.
dialogue, or am I actually supposed to do something?
What are you gonna do exactly in touristics? If you can share. Garbage collect this item. This action is permanent.
The thing is, I don't want to do anything I can't take back. I think I'm going to hold on to it for now.
Selling
We can always
traps.
get rid of it later if it turns out we need to.
Game hall.
Did you notice?
Travel
I don't
agency.
think there have been any people around so far to interact with.
Slot machine. 1 cent to play.
Just voices on the phone.
Like the guy on the street corner. I think there's an apple being eaten there again.
Okay.
Exactly, but more expensive.
You ever play one of these in real life?
Nope. I never played one of these. I think the only time I played one of these is like in Pokemon. So what exactly are you? You see that? There's something jumping around there in the background. Borderlands. Can't even remember that. Used napkin. Cereal box puzzle. Chemistry kit. Cat toy. Vending
Isn't this
pass.
kind of machine
Foreign
more for,
key.
like, arcades than casinos?
What I want to say. Oh yeah. So how does it exactly work? You sit there, wait for people to come in, then advise them. Like what hotel to take, or
It's all just so weird. Like I really couldn't find anything about it online.
Depending on who uses it, a napkin might sell to the right person. In this day
6,000
and age,
coins is
a
left.
used napkin from the right person probably
That's the
sells for
weird.
thousands.
And I'm pretty sure I know where it goes. The only question
Speaking
is
of, I need to blow my
how to
nose.
get back to that area. I mean, I see what I'm supposed to do, but 6,000. There has to be a better way. Hey, so it's a new day.
I think misfortunes would sell even better.
I also think after some trial and error, I think I figured it out. But let's do one thing at a time. There were only 5 of these before, right? I wasn't going to mention it, but before I started playing yesterday, I wasn't filming, but in the corner here, I saw a notification. I think it said something about refactoring or refacing. I didn't read it that closely. Maybe that has something to do with it. I don't know. But we can check it out.
An avuncular systems prof once taught our lecture how an OS handles data deletion by analogy to the 80s horror movie Poltergeist. When you junk a file, the icon and visual indicators vanish right away, but the underlying data persists until overwritten.
What's the text-to-speech sound?
Picture removing the headstone from above a grave, but leaving the bones below to molder. Old profile pics, last year's W2, doomed saves from since uninstalled games. Orphaned bytes might linger for months or years on a PC after you've deleted their parent files, eaten away a little every day by the steady trickle of fresh data. The right program with low-level access can consume some of that dead space and spit it out somewhere else. Ghost text. SleuthKit confirms this one is a memo I wrote a few weeks ago on the same machine. Wonder if that particular line was raided from the tomb at random or based on some heuristic. Either way, spooky stunt. Unsettling, invasive, flagrant security hazard. Exactly what I've been waiting for. Still not quite sold on its veracity. Absolutely possible some bored, tech-inclined mythizen decided to recreate choice picks from the thread, e.g. the infamous winter level. Many internet ghost stories become real in one way or another, once enough people believe in them. Still, cause for optimism. Managing to compile the app, Credaemon again, and actually play something sophisticated enough for this is progress. Not psyched it wouldn't run without being granted such strong perms, but now we know why. Necessary evil. I'll make that trade if it means finding out. No network, so worst case what, it bricks the machine? We'll live. It's a rental anyway.
Ugh, my ear hurts.
My ear hurts.
I double-checked. There's nothing else new that I saw, but I'll keep an eye out. No
I do
idea
the
what
sniffer after this video.
I'm not the one who's into horror. So what I figured out has to do with
Picking laughing for making calls when they're in trouble. Better than most of the stuff, but I'm working a PC and talking to people.
Oh.
Depending on where she wiped something off with the napkin.
I was just turning the wrong direction. So anyway, look, I can buy the prize
What?
machine. I mean, I can buy the chemistry kit from the prize machine now.
Do I wanna ask?
Get about 100 points at once. So if we play one, we usually lose. But losing is actually what we want, kind of. Blueberry, grape, apple. Remember that. When you win, you can get any 3 fruits in a row. I didn't test it enough to really be sure.
You have an app on your PC called Evil Worm.
I think certain machines.
It's a worm in the apple, to be correct.
But that's not that important. What I realized was when you lose, it always spins to one of the same few patterns. See? Blueberry, grape, apple. Like, what are the odds of that happening again right now if anything is equally
Is
likely?
it like to trust me I'm a dolphin.exe?
I'll speed this up, but maybe you can see where I'm going.
I don't know about that one. Can't lie.
Telling you this. It doesn't even matter. She's with someone else now. There's nothing else I can do.
There we go. The number's actually trailing off the screen a little. You get it? What I kept wondering was, why are there so many machines anyway? Like, if you can play any of them, why are there so many? It's because it's not about getting the same pattern on one machine. It's about getting a pattern going across more than one. Now, what I didn't try yet is doing all 5 in this row. I knew it. That actually wasn't that hard.
Oh,
What's
when
up?
a negatives, when a plus. Okay. Most casinos aren't made for one guy. That can't be it.
I was having the most delicious dream. And then I wasn't. You know the one. Anywho,
I don't know the
you
one.
told me you broke the bank. I'll have to ring for a handyman. Oh, don't worry, I'm not miffed. Monte Carlo, right? It's nothing personal. Besides, I love a winner. But no Irish goodbyes now. You people are always in such a hurry. Come on, you're going nowhere fast with all that old scratch weighing you down. You know what you need? To,
I don't know what I
lighten
need
your
now.
load.
Excuse me?
Swing by my room, share a nightcap with me? What do you say? You could, make an entry in my guest book afterwards. Call it a victory lap. Don't keep me waiting.
Her laugh isn't convincing me. Don't blow a kiss my way. The heck?
It's not opening anymore. I'm pressing tab. At the end, there was a lot of stuff on screen, but did you see the number was going negative? Like it was like
Come
negative
back
1
tomorrow.
million or something for a second. What was that about? Okay.
We can't buy all the cool
That
stuff.
means we need to do something else first.
Stuck something? What did it say? Something thick like tar or wax has been poured into gaps in the doorframe.
I wish I could see how much money I actually have. We'll see. Is that short for something?
It's locked. The Mamba is also locked. Well, that door seems to be open. Fuck was that? Can we peep in? Any peepers? Peephole?
Oh.
I guess that's what we get for peeping. Deserved.
Did you see that thing on the floor?
Yes.
What was that?
No idea. Not a single clue what that was. Why's that step so wet sounding? The copperhead. There's a whistle again. A fire. That's trippy. So weren't we just supposed to meet with a lady up here? I don't see any ladies. Wait, those are the things from the playground.
Do you think you'll be the one who finally wins?
Win what? What are we winning? Also, what is that sound? He's not even running away, he's just standing there. Alright. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a like, go subscribe, and follow my Twitch for even more content. See you next time. Bye bye.